Hey kids, so we are going to go and get a scroller. Now we have to make our background scroll from side to side, and you need some pink blocks that look like this. Now you don't have the pink blocks. You have to go and get them from something called extensions, which is here. Okay, inside the extensions, you click it and you'll get this. And this is where we can go and add lots of things that people make to make your games even better. And what we want to do is we want to go and type in scroll. Okay, so let's see if I can just zoom in a little bit. I'm going to type in scroll and hit enter, or the arrow on the side, or the magnifying glass on the side, and you'll get this. It'll say arcade background scroll, and you'll get this kind of a film effect. So we're going to go and click on that, and you'll add it to our bar on the middle. It'll say scroll with some arrows. Like this, and it'll be here, right here. And what we're going to do is we are going to go and get scroll background with VX, like this. It'll say VX50, like this. But you can see that it's going a bit crazy at the moment. So you need to change one to be a bit slower. So we're going to go 10, like this. And then the other one is going to be 0. It's going to see what it does like this. Okay. Now, I think personally it's going the wrong way because our boats are going to be sailing around this ocean here. We're going to have our pioneers coming and trying to attack us. So, and stop us from stealing all the coins. So what we need to do is we need to change this the opposite way around. This 10 needs to be a -10. Let's go and change that to -10 like this. And it'll go the opposite way. How is that? So when we go to full screen, you can see that it scrolls like this, -10. Right, go and do that, and then we'll show you the next bit.